Miro tutorial for beginners. How to use Miro as your online collaborative whiteboard platform. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am giving you a tutorial on Miro and how to use Miro to help you with your online sessions, team meetings, and more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to Miro.com and you will get to this platform right here. Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard platform that allows you to visually represent your ideas, and you can simply use it with your team meetings, work meetings, and for your classes and courses. It has all the right features and tools we look for in a collaborative platform. Signing up process for Miro is really easy. You can simply go ahead and sign up with your work email, which is going to be your simple Gmail as well. It is free forever and no credit card required. Once you enter your email address, click on sign up for free and it will take you right here. You have to enter your name, then enter your password, agree to Miro, and then click on get started now. It will allow you to get your own dashboard where we can work with Miro and get all the features. After the initial sign up or log into your Miro, this is where you will get. Now, this is my board that I've created on Miro, and I'll show you everything you need to know to make an informed decision if Miro is the right platform for you or not. So right now, this is our first board, and the first thing that we do is we just click right here on our board and we can create a board. So this one is called my first board, but of course we can change the name, and I'm gonna call it maybe my work board. We can also select preview area if we want, and then we have description, owner, created date, last modified, and location. We can also duplicate a board if we want, share a board, or delete it. So for now, I think we have added the name right here. Now we get the option of settings, feed, export this board, search, and explore app and integration right here with our name. So from here, I will be able to go to my settings, and this is where I will get all of my information and notifications. Then we have this panel right here at the left side of the screen, and you can see it has our select option, templates, text, sticky notes, shape, connection line, pen, and then we have more tools. From here, I can access tools such as web page capture, wireframe library, charts, card, kanbans, and tables. So it has a lot of different views for us and a lot of different tools. At the end right here, we have open sidebar, and if you click on it, it will open up a sidebar for you where you can create different frames. Then we have these different options given here. This one is a timer that we can start if you're having an interactive activity with your team members. Then we have voting, estimation, presentation mode, and then more apps will allow me to chat and video chat. So this is like my whiteboard. It's like having a whiteboard in background on your wall, but the difference is that it's going to be visual and it has a lot of different tools. And then we have our share option right here. So this is also an important option. You click on share and it will allow you to invite different team members to your board, and then you will be able to chat with them and show them what you wanted to do. So here you can get a copy link and you can share in your group, or you can actually invite them directly from their Gmail. Once your team members are added and once you know all of the different tools, let's go ahead and start using it. So I would like to go to the templates. This is what I do. Go to templates and it will show you a lot of different frameworks to choose from. You can see we have meetings and workshops, brainstorming and ideas, agile workflows, mapping and diagramming, research, strategy, community templates, icebreakers, and custom templates as well. So right now I am on agile workflows and I can select any of the different templates from here. So it depends on you that what kind of view you like more. So I'm gonna go with this one, Kanban one. It looks very easy, so I'm gonna click on use and use this one. And it will open up this right here, this Kanban view for me, and it has all of these different options. I'm gonna actually zoom out a bit so we can see clearly. Perfect. So we have already created blocks for me. We have these options, team A, team B, in progress, and done. Now what we can do is we can actually work with this. We have 4 teams right here to create a new team. Let's say that there were 3 teams and I have to actually type something for them. We can divide these different sections into different teams, and then each team has its own data and has its own notes. So from here, I can say anything for them. Let's just call it task 1. And then we can just say task 2. We can also change the color for different sayings and different tasks. For example, this is blue, and maybe I can go with this one right here, purple one. Then I can add different tags to my different tasks and to my different sayings, whatever I'm doing on my whiteboard. To enter a tag, you just enter the name. Let's just call it important. There you go. So I'm going to click on create, and there you go. We have a tag, and it will be added to this task right here. Again, if I click on it, we have the assignee option. So I'm going to click on assignee, and it will open up all of the different team members in my team, and I'll assign it to someone. Then we can insert a link, or we can set a date. So I'm going to set a due date for this task, which is going to be 23rd. Now it's like having a project management whiteboard, a collaborative whiteboard with your meetings. Even if I want to start a video chat right now with my team members, I can do that, and I can show them everything right here. So it's really handy. I personally use it with video chats as well when we're interacting with the team, when we're planning our month. This is what we do, and everybody is just watching that what they have to do and what they're gonna be doing in this month. Now we can actually move our different tasks from one list to another. For example, this was like our first list, and I have done task 2, so I can just say in progress, or maybe from here I can take it to done. So if we're having a little competition between team A and team B, so we can just simply see that which of the team did more tasks and which of the team actually completed their task within a time. And of course, I can set a timer for them. And we can just simply add a timer here as well, which is available with the upgrade. And then we have the voting section as well. They will allow us to vote. If you're having any question, if you're pitching an idea to the team, you can get your voting from here, and you will get results immediately, live results. Then of course we have other options as well. So this is the one that I use for template. Then we have text option that will allow me to add text anywhere I want, and I can just place it wherever I want to. Right here, you can add different text anywhere on your whiteboard. Then we have the sticky note option. So let's say that I want to add a sticky note to my board right here. So you can just place it here. Okay. So this is one of the notes that I wanted to add. Let's go ahead and add another sticky note. Let's say that you're actually doing a meeting and you're presenting an idea, and a lot of people are giving you a lot of suggestions. So you can just quickly get a sticky note, and if there is something that you want to keep in mind, you can just get a sticky note and you can just place it right here. Even it's good for studies. You can use it for your studies. You can use it for your project management, for your team management. You can actually get an idea from the templates. We can actually use it for brainstorming ideas, workshops and meetings, anything you want to. So if you want to write anything on the sticky note, you can, and then we can add emojis, we can add tags, and even we can assign sticky notes to people. We can add authors, we can change the color, we can change text, alignment, anything we want. So I have added another note, and you can see I changed the text for this one, the font, which looks pretty good, and I can maybe change for this one as well. And then we have our connections, and if I want to add any connection lines, for example, this one, so the connection line will be created. So we can do this one as well. If you want to add different connection lines to your different ideas, you can just, do that. So you can see we have different lines that we can draw and add different connections. Then we have our own pen. So pen will allow me to actually write on my board like we usually do. And I can just go ahead and write anything. For example, you want to sign something. So what you can do is we can actually sign very easily with the pen option, and it will allow me to also kind of like write whatever I want to write on my board right here. So pen is like very simple to use, and we also get an eraser. So if you want to just erase what you've written, you can do that as well. We can also draw a few of the things available with our board, and we can actually, draw with the draw option. Then we have a highlighter as well. So if you're a person like me who likes to highlight things, we can get our own highlighters that allow us to highlight different text. Let me actually go ahead and add few of the more things to my board so that I can give you a very clear view. So this is our, my board that I was working on, and you can see we can highlight text from the highlight option. Then we have comment option right here that allows us to add any kind of comment to our any note. So it's a really good platform with a lot of different features and allows us to work in a very creative workspace and allows us to add sticky notes. We have text, we have comments, highlight text, then we have shapes and connection lines, comments, anything you want to add, you can add to your Miro board right here. So Miro is one of the best option out there for a collaborative visual partner for your meetings and more. You will be able to use it really easily now, and you know all the features we will be getting. It's really easy to use, and I hope that now you know how to use Miro as a complete beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.